So write an equation for a line in standard form. Oops. Standard form. So that's AX plus BY equals C. That is perpendicular to 3x minus 2y equals 7 and passes through the point 2, 3 in standard form. Okay, let's work this one out together, but I need more than just one person answering me, okay? So 3x minus 2y equals 7. First, let's figure out what the slope of this line is. What is the slope of this line? 3/2. Thank you, 3/2. Okay, so the slope of this line is 3/2. How did I know that? A over B. And the minus sign, that means this is positive. If you do not know that, you have to take the extra time to change this into slope-intercept form. So subtract 3x from both sides and divide both sides by -2. That would give you y equals -3.5 plus 3/2x. There's your slope. So if you cannot figure it out by looking at standard form, you have to take the extra time to figure out what the slope is. Do not just guess. Okay? All right. Right here?
Yeah, because like, where did you get that 3 from? The one above the other.
Right here? Right here? I'm just showing that I subtracted 3x from both sides. So this is just me subtracting 3x from both sides. So because I wanted to get rid of the 3x minus 3x cancels out. 7 minus 3x is 7 minus 3x because they're not like terms. You can't combine them. Yes, ma'am. So getting to that part, the slope here is 3/2. But since it's perpendicular, I know that their slopes are the negative reciprocal of each other. So if the slope is 3/2, what will my new slope be? -2/3, because I changed the sign and I flipped my fraction. So this is the new slope I'm working with, -2/3. Okay, so I know it has to be in standard form, AX plus BY equals C. So can someone tell me, well, what would A and what would B be? A would be what? 2. Okay, so 2x will be a plus sign or a minus sign? Plus, okay. Equals C. So I don't know my C value. Okay, other than the ladies in the room, how can I find my C value if I know it goes to the point 2, 3? Yeah, okay, I think what you're saying is plug it in for X and Y. So X is 2, so I'm going to plug in 2 for X. And 3 is Y, so I'm going to plug in 3 for Y. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 times 3 is 9. So 13 equals C. So my equation would be 2x plus 3y equals 13. We did it. Yay. So happy. Okay. So big thing is, this is review at this point. Okay. And we're moving forward. So if you have like totally not understood anything we just said, period, then that means you should just start coming to tutoring. Okay. Seminar, you can Zoom with me during seminar and we can go through practice problems together, whatever. Okay, guys. So we've already done good things. So we're going to shift into what we're doing today. We are not solving anything today. All we're doing today is writing equations. That's all. We're not going to solve the equations. We're just going to write them. Next class, we will solve them. But this class, we're just writing them. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to look at different word problems. And from the word problems, we're going to get the equation from the word problem. Okay? So let's look at some very not hard examples first, okay? So we're going to read equation 1. And from equation 1, we're going to see what equation we get from it, from the description. 4 times y is equal to 3 times the difference of 5 and x. 4 times y is equal to 3 times the difference of 5 and x. Anyone want to go for what they think that word problem is saying in equation form? Let's start with the first part. 4 times y. What do you think of? Okay. Is equal to, okay. Okay, this is the tricky part.
Could you put it in parentheses?
There you go. 3 times the difference of, okay. 5 minus x. There you go.
Oh my God.
Yes, Jada. Okay, because it says 5 times the difference of 5 and x. So it has to be multiplying the difference of 5 and x. So it has to be in parentheses. Ask me questions if you're confused. Which part? So 4 times y, so that's why we have 4y, is equal to, there's the equal to sign, 3 times, so 3 times the difference of 5 and x. So I can't put like 3 times 5 minus x, because that's saying 3 times 5, then subtracting from x. This is saying 3 times the difference of 5 and x. So 5 minus x, 3 times all of that. So that has to be in parentheses. Okay, let's try this one. 10 increased by y is equal to 2 times x. Good. There you go. Okay. Okay, so what I don't want you to do is write down literally every example. Okay, because it's gonna take way too long, especially when these word problems are about to come up. What I'd rather you do is really read the problem, then on your whatever screen, whatever, write down what equations you think they go are, so that when I call on you, you can answer. Okay, but do not try to write down the whole thing. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my time with this first one. And as I do this first one, I think all the other ones y'all are gonna get, okay? Unleaded gas and supreme gas sell for different prices per liter. Pause. I have unleaded gas and I have supreme gas. Those are 2 different things. So don't you think there should be 2 different variables for them? I think so. So I'm going to say this is X and this is Y. Wait a minute, Ms. Patterson. Why is unleaded gas X? Why is supreme gas Y? It doesn't matter for the scenario. There's no independent and dependent variable. I'm just giving them 2 different variables because it's unknown. We don't know how much unleaded gas costs and we don't know how much supreme gas costs. So they're 2 unknowns, so I just put 2 random variables. Suppose that 2 liters of unleaded gas, pause, 2 liters of unleaded gas. What variable did I say unleaded gas was? X. So what could I write for this part right here? 2x, right? 2 liters of unleaded gas. And 3 liters of supreme gas. 3y, so plus 3y, cost a total of $2.52 equals $2.52. Because 2 liters of unleaded plus 3 liters of supreme costs $2.52. Okay. 5 liters of unleaded gas, new equation now. So 5x and 4 liters of supreme gas plus 4y equals $4.48. And I'm done. Here are my 2 equations. Okay, so the big part here was knowing how to write the equation. Next class, we'll focus on how do I solve it now that I have my equations, okay? But we needed to take a whole day to look at, well, how do I even write the equation from the word problem? Now, some of you are like, could I use different variables? Yeah, let's say you wanted to use, let me change my color. Let's say you wanted to use U for unleaded gas and S for supreme gas. That's fine. You just need to know what each variable stands for U. So you always need to define what each variable is. Okay? Are you ready for the next one? Gonna get spicier. Farm Implements Incorporation has a bin filled with a combined total of 245 quarter-inch nuts and bolts. Each quarter-inch nut weighs 6 grams, and each bolt weighs 10 grams. The total weight of the nuts and bolts in the bin is 2,010 grams. Okay, here's your hint. They're both written in standard form. You need 2 equations that are both written in standard form. I want you to take 1 minute and write down what 2 equations you think fit this scenario. There's 2 equations. So what we're doing is we're entering into the topic of systems of linear equations. So let's talk about 2 equations. All right. Anyone want to go for one of the equations? You can do it. You can do it. I want, even if you're wrong, I want you to try. Go ahead.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
All right. Let me try this so I don't get mad. I might mess up. All right.
Okay.
So put X by quarter-inch.
X by quarters. Okay.
By the nut, and then put Y by the bolts. But you don't want to get confused with the grams, because that doesn't involve with how much the total count is. That the grams are on the bottom. So which one are we worrying about first?
I don't care. Give me either one.
All right. So you just put X plus Y equals 245.
Good job, Rodolfo. Now, let me explain why it's just X plus Y equals 245. He said he has a bin filled with a combined total. So nuts plus bolts, he has 245 of them, period. So if X stands for nuts and Y stands for bolts, combined, I have 245 nuts and bolts. Okay. Maturity, please.
No, I did not get that answer.
Oh, I was like, why are you laughing? Okay. I feel like someone else can get this next part. Each quarter-inch nut weighs 6 grams, and each bolt weighs 10 grams, combined total of 2,010 grams. Alexa? Oh, I thought you were stretching.
All right, legit. 210 equals 6x plus 10.
Whoa. I didn't hear what you said. Say it again. Okay, cool. So I'm going to write it this way, though. 6x plus 10y equals 2010. Oh, be confident then. So why? Because it's talking about 6 grams. Stop. And 10 grams and 2010 grams. All of these are talking about grams. So that's how I know all these numbers will go together in my second equation. All right, ask me a question if you don't understand. Okay, let's try another one. On this one, they are not in standard form. They're going to be both in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. Jamie and Andrew share the same birthday. Jamie received a gift of $125 from his aunt for his birthday. Andrew received a gift of $100 from his parents for his birthday. Jamie has decided he will spend exactly $15 of his birthday money each week. Since he received less money, Andrew has decided he will spend $10 of his birthday money each week. You're going to be taking and making an equation for Jamie and one for Andrew. Take 1 minute, write down what you think they are. Remember, they're going to be in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Yes, except I want everyone to pay attention to the spend part. If I'm spending money.
Oh.
All right. Someone who hasn't said the last one, now can give me Jamie's equation. All right, I'm going to put 15x and I'm going to put 125. All right, and when you think, I know what I said, you're like, oh, but think about this. He received $125. So would that be minus in front of 125? Or plus in front of 125? Well, that means I started with negative $125. But if I received $125, I started with a positive amount of money. I know, that's not, but hold on. He spent $15 each week. So the 15 would be negative because he's taking away $15 from the amount he had each week. Perfect, that's the same thing. So 125 minus 15x is the same thing, just the two numbers are reversed. Okay, Jaden, can you give me Andrew? Perfect. Or y equals negative 10x plus 100. Those are the same thing. Because he started with 100 and spent $10 each week. Okay. Let me explain what's happening. Now, either we can do... okay, hold on. Let me give you options first. Either we can do this as competition style, which is a little harder because this class is much smaller. And hey, Damien. But in other classes, what we did is that there were so many people. We had 3 groups, and there's like 15 people on Zoom, and they were in one group, and blah, 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 blah. Okay? We don't have to do this competition style. We could just go through each one and just say what the equations are as a class. Which one do we want to do?
I need to redeem myself.
All right, raise your hand if you want to do a competition style. 3. Oh, wow.
Miss, I want to do a competition style. I want to do it, Miss, because you get extra credit if you do it like this.
Okay, then you could just write it on your own.
Miss, because I'm trying to get extra credit, Miss.
Okay, yes. Yes, it is. So the people who win will receive extra credit. Okay, so we're just going to do the same teams last time. So y'all 3, and then Jaden, Jada, Leo. And then...
I'll be by myself.
Okay, but Robert is with you technically. So you and Robert
talking.
together.
Miss, he's asleep.
Robert is not asleep.
Miss, he's
Robert,
asleep.
you sleeping?
He's asleep.
No.
No, Robert is not asleep. So y'all can chat on here. It doesn't matter. Y'all can help each other out. Okay. So this is how we did it yesterday. You can tell me this is how you want to do it. What we did is for 1 minute, you talk about the question as a group. Then I just call someone, go to the board, write down what you think the two equations are. If you get it correct, then your team gets a point. Now, there's not like, it's not, no, there's no if you get it wrong, no, no. If you get it right, anybody's not timed or anything, you get the point, okay? Okay, all right. No, Jaden, you're with Jada and Leo. And then, oh, yes. All right. Okay, first question. This is not timed, so I'm gonna give you 1 minute to talk about, LOL. I mean, it's not like, it's not like who gets it the fastest. That's what I meant to say. It's not time.
Miss,
1 minute.
how me and Robert supposed to talk? They're gonna hear us.
I'll mute myself. So I'm turning my volume all the way down. So if you're talking, I can't hear you. All right, talk to your group. You have 1 minute to talk to your group.
Robert, turn on your mic, man. We finna work this out.
Okay.
So Jamie spent 130 on 40 chocolate truffle. Man, I was just doing this yesterday. I could have got everything.
Yes, there's gonna be 2 equations for all of these.
The cherry center cost $2.50 each and $3.75. Wait, Miss, I have a question. Will this be 2 linear equations or just 1?
There's 2 equations.
Okay. So all you gotta do is 40 equals $130 equals 250x, like, and then 375 plus 375y. And then for the 40 chocolate truffles, you put y equals 40. Hold on.
Are you playing? Are you not? Do you want to know or do you not?
All right. So we already got the first one about the
40.
2.5x plus 3.75y equals 130, but you got y equals.
Right.
We're not done, Miss.
Okay, I choose Alexa and Jaden. Go to the board. Oh.
Oh man, that must really suck. Oh. I'm so disappointed.
Jada, go to the board. Okay.
So
Hold on, don't write anything yet. Now, Rodolfo or Robert, I don't care. One of you write on my screen, and you will write down when I say go. Are you
Rodolfo, do it.
Oh man, I swear to God, Miss, how do I write on your screen?
What? Okay.
You do it. You already know the answers.
I don't care which one of you do it. Okay, and
I don't even know how to do it too.
Me neither. Miss, how do you do it?
I don't know. I think you just start writing. Remember, it's not a time thing, so it doesn't matter. I'm just waiting for everyone to get it done.
It looks like Jada's just doing it right now.
Miss, you can't write on it.
Write it in the chat then, because I don't know how to do it from my end. Just write it in the
put in our
chat.
equation that we got.
Yes.
All right. 130. Do we have to put the money sign?
No.
2.5x. Oh snap. 2.5x plus 3.75.
What I would do is just put the other equation on the bottom. So like one on top, one on bottom.
130.
See, I learned to be a fast writer last year in this class because we used to do the equations on the board. Maybe like, I did that and I was
Jada, don't erase it. Don't erase it. All right. So you should have gotten. Okay, write the other equation, boys. All right, there you go. All right. So you should have gotten 2.5x plus 3.75y equals 130, and you should have got x plus y equals 40. So
we got both right.
Yes, you got this right.
Hey, Robert. Hey, man.
Okay. All right, sit back down. It's okay. My question is, do y'all understand why that's the equation? Okay. All right. So stop talking so I can explain it to everybody. Okay. Jamie spent $130 on 40 chocolate truffles. So she had 40 chocolate truffles in total. Some were cherry, some were caramel. Therefore, x plus y equals 40 because she had 40 in total amount of truffles. The cherry ones cost $2.50 each. The caramel ones cost $3.75 each. So if I said cherry was x and caramel was y, that would be $2.50x because it's $2.50 for each cherry filled plus $3.75y because $3.75 for each caramel one. And I spent a total of $130. So that's why that is my equation. Make sense? Okay, let's try another one. All of these are going to be two equations.
At the Friday night football game was 164. Each adult ticket. Wait, each adult ticket costs $3.50 and each student, so
X plus Y equals 1,650 because that's the number of tickets sold. And it says that there's adult tickets and there's
student tickets. So
you just put X plus Y equals that, and then after you have adult ticket is 3.5x. You got plus 2x equals 460. This is easy, miss.
wait, type it down so when she calls out the thing.
650. Hold on. X, Y.
What are you laughing at?
Equals 1,650.
He was being a pain.
Who told
Okay.
him the answer, miss? Let me have the answer.
No,
Jaden.
No, I want to go.
She got it.
Hey.
6Y.
Yes, go up there. Go, Sophia. You got it, Sophia. You got it.
So far the Zoom team, and then this the team against the wall, and yeah, it's just us two. Whoever wins right now. You didn't get it right. You didn't get it right, so I'm therefore. I mean, against the Triple J's and Leo.
All right.
It's a double J. It's Triple J's and Leo.
All right. Write down the equations.
Miss, we did.
All right, good. All right, let me let them write them down before I look at the chat.
Miss, did we get ours right though?
Boy, I don't know. If I open up the chat, everybody else will see.
Oh, Miss, so we're in the lead with everybody else, right?
There is no lead.
We're in the lead, right, Miss?
We're in the lead.
There is no lead.
We're in the lead, right, Miss? They can't hear me, Miss?
They keep on asking so much questions.
They can hear me, Miss?
Okay. You should have gotten
Let's go, Sophia.
x plus y equals 1,650. And 350x plus 2y equals 4,650. Good job, everybody.
Oh, yo.
Good.
I don't want to say it, but I came up with myself. No, I'm playing with
All
you.
right,
Robert.
anyways.
All
Yeah, all got a point. All right, question 3.
A football team scored 12 times in the game for a total point. What? It's just for the point is 7 points. Hold on.
Watch. I think I got it already. F equals 12. Then after you got 70, like, so you hold on. Take it slow, Robert.
This one's kind of confused. Hold on, wait.
Don't rush it, Robert.
It's just,
Dang, miss, I can't hear your class being disrespectful. Three F
3
equals 7
and F is the
72.
number of field goals. Field goals is 3. So
All right. Noah,
okay.
Leo.
That makes sense. Okay.
Mm.
Can I go ahead and write it?
No, just wait.
Oh, that was easy.
Oh yeah, I think you're right. Great.
right, currently the score is 1-2.
Thank you.
JJL, Wall, and Zoom.
There you go.
Joel.
All right.
It's Joel.
Let's go. I know, boys, you've already written it down. So, gentlemen in the room, go ahead and write it down. And you can use the sanitizing wipes if you need to, or you can just sanitize your hands after.
With Jaden. Oh. Let's go, Noah. Oh, that's messed up.
Okay, you should have gotten. Okay, I'm gonna write it in terms of T and F. T plus F equals 12, and 7T plus 3F equals 72. Is that what everyone got? Good job.
Why did I put X and Y? Why, Miss, but this is the same thing.
Yes, that's fine.
No, that's wrong. You got the wrong letter. No. Okay. Letters. Yes, it's the wrong letter.
All right, question 4.
Numbers.
What do you say with snack are
Yeah.
cans and almonds? So X and Y.
You're so sore.
At the nut house, pecans sell for £2 a pound. Sell for $3.50 and creams by
I don't think it matters.
£6. Okay. X plus Y equals.
Hold on, so you have.
He has 15.25.
So hold on, so you have 2. You're gonna add 2, or you're gonna add X plus 4.5Y equals 15.25.
Really? Yes.
Then after you have.
Oh yeah.
Wait, Alexa, can I switch these again?
He wants to mix up that.
You can just stay right there. No, you got it right. Just can I go up there again? Can I just go up there every time?
No.
No, please.
Yeah.
Robert, help me.
Which part do you need help on?
Don't get here.
Yeah, why being
I got 2x plus.
Yeah, the other one though, the other one. I already got that one.
Isn't it x? I think it's x. I don't know if it's x plus y.
I'm not sure,
I
but we're
wouldn't
gonna go
say
with that.
15.
Yeah,
Which one? I don't really know.
Anyways, all right. Alexa, Jada.
I'm gonna just put the other one. I don't know what we're supposed to do with the pounds.
So
You had that whole
2
time to
x.
but you did
Oh
not
yeah,
do
that could be it actually.
Why didn't we concur? I don't know why we didn't concur.
5.
Have you seen that movie?
Mm-mm.
Cat movie too.
Mm-mm.
No.
It's a good movie. It had what's his face? Leonardo DiCaprio.
No, okay.
And Tom Hanks. It was a good movie.
Sounds like it. All right, come on, Jada.
Ooh, she's writing it down early, man. She's cheating.
Alexa, wait.
Está chiviando.
Oh, wow.
Está haciendo
There's no time limit.
Exactly. It's way longer, right?
All right.
This is a time limit.
All right, go ahead, ladies.
We're on the same team.
Yes, I am confused about that.
I don't care.
I don't know why.
Liz, in Among Us, and if I'm an imposter and one of my friends is an imposter, I'm voting out. I don't care. I'll be like, I saw you bet, bro. And I'll be like, and go, what? And then I get, you don't know Chris? Christopher?
Yeah.
You be gay, so I might be like,
Oh, we got it wrong. That face Miss Patterson made.
ow.
That means we got it wrong.
And sometimes.
All right, Jada, you got it written down? Okay.
I tell the some of our friends like, hey, let's just vote Chris out, just for fun.
Yeah.
And then we vote him out. You don't have no blood.
No. I had 6 hands. That showed them that and they ignored me. One of them ignored
Because
me.
I'm an alien and I have blue blood.
They should have listened.
Yes, I'm an alien and I have blue blood. Wanna see?
At least you had right there.
So what I want y'all to notice is there's literally a pattern.
I know, but it's not working for me.
All right.
Just look at Alexa.
You need to go up there, miss.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Okay, so it's 2.
Shut up! No.
Chill, bro.
Miss, what's going on?
We're just waiting on somebody to write. Leo, can you help her for her last equation?
Oh, yeah. You want me to give her the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on,
X plus Y equals 6.
You.
Okay. All right. So you should have gotten, let's see, boys, what you got on here. Yes. So X plus Y equals 6, or P plus A for pecans and almonds. Wow. And then 2X plus 4.5Y equals 15.25. Good job.
I'm like Thanos.
Okay. Last one.
Its bias must have a card.
Last one.
Over his. What is okay? Finished.
All right, so that's the slope.
Okay, here's the difference on this one. This one is in slope intercept form. So both the equations should look like this.
First mechanics charge 175 pounds per hour for labor. 325.
All right, so what'd you get for the first one?
Isn't y equals
30 more seconds.
125? Wait, 125. No, it's plus 75.
We still have something on camera, so I'm trying to get us to not take too much longer.
Cause is it out? Okay. Okay, yeah, okay. That's what I got basically.
X plus 15. No.
It's the same formula for the other one.
Well, where's the other
Yes.
one? Which one's the other one?
Y
The one on the bottom?
equals
Yes, it's wrong.
250.
Think about it as, remember,
Oh, I switched the numbers.
no. Remember, M is like your per, your each. B is like how much you start with, or that one-time fee.
Okay, great. Can I go this time?
I know Lindsay starts.
Let me see.
No.
Alright, fine, whatever. Sophia's writing it down anyway.
First class mechanic shop on charge
Miss, can you hear me?
$1.75 per hour. About labor, Roman's auto shop on charge $2.25 for parts and $50 per hour.
This number does not matter at all.
I know.
It doesn't matter.
Now, yeah.
These two, they go together. These two, they go together. This is a Y intercept. So
Alexa, I've been teaching the whole class.
Yeah.
Okay,
75 per.
Sophia, Jaden, go.
Can I go in?
So, okay, I don't care. I don't care. Just someone for your team, go.
Oh, I can go then.
And you see why I don't learn things?
All right, go.
She's having me, yeah.
I know. I heard you stopping up for the.
All right, last one. All right, ladies, go ahead and write it down.
Oh no, you got caught on the side of my David, what is that?
She just doesn't care anymore. It's the circle again.
That's supposed to be in there.
It's the circle head.
Okay. Can you turn it off, babe? 'Cause I have a recording and I don't want random stuff on it. Okay. Let's talk about it. Okay. And then let me see what Robert and Rodolfo put. All right. So for first class mechanic, you should have got Y equals 75X plus 125.
Go, Sophia.
For Roman's Auto Shop, you should have got Y equals 50X plus 225. Can y'all tell me why y'all put a minus sign?